Hello friends, I'm here to talk about the new product that just came out in the market. It's called Resistant Bands with Ankle Strap, Cuff Cable, Thigh Leg, Pulley Strap Lifting Fitness Equipment. Let's just talk about some benefits that we can get with it. It comes with D-ring ankle strap with resistant band, provide long-lasting durability, super easy for attachment, booty butt and thigh leg. Outstanding comfort line with shock absorbent padding. It comes in a standard set which fits all, and it comes with door anchor, resistor bands, D-ring ankle strap, and it's made with cotton pad for optimal comfort and support for the legs, hips, thighs, training, etc. One size fits all, and it comes in various colors: blue, pink, black, and purple. And just talk about the disadvantages for the people who cannot use or who have existing joint pain. They should definitely avoid. Other than that, everybody can use it. These